Visualization of 3D anatomical data through global illumination modeling, known as cinematic rendering, typically implemented by software bundled with high-end imaging hardware, is profoundly impacting medical diagnostics, surgery, and teaching. To harness its potential in biological research, we developed the small animal realistic three-dimensional rendering pipeline, the SmARTR pipeline. This modular, scalable, and versatile workflow integrates wet lab procedures, imaging, and advanced volumetric data processing, enabling the generation of photorealistic 3D cinematic visualizations within a free software environment. Multiple software configurations, the SmARTR networks, have been prototyped, offering a wide range of visualizations. Although developed with a specific rendering scenario in mind, the modular design of the SmARTR networks allows for modifications and expansions to meet specific end users' visualization needs. As 3D imaging techniques become more accessible and widely used in biology, the SmARTR pipeline's potential applications are far-reaching. This versatile tool can be applied across a wide array of life sciences, such as evolutionary and developmental biology, comparative anatomy, paleontology, zoology, diagnostics, and veterinary medicine. Moreover, it also holds potential in education, outreach, and even artistic endeavors. Please follow the link or scan the QR code to discover more about the SmARTR pipeline.